Hi guys, so I have an incoming swap and it is from, well, I don't know who it's from yet, but it is for a swap that was hosted by Beck, who is Beck's Crafting World on YouTube. Actually, she's Beck's Crafting World too on YouTube and Instagram. And she had a swap and it was called Help Save Christmas. And it was basically themed around the North Pole. And there were a whole bunch of requirements. I cannot remember them. It's been a while, but I know that you had to decorate a clipboard. You had to do a hot cocoa pouch with all the things, or, you know, with all the treats to go with it. You had to do a dangle. You had to do some, did you have to do some bows? Some kind of embellishments. I don't remember the exact requirements, but we're going to see. So this is from, I don't know who yet, but I think it says it's by Lynn George. So, let's see. That's what it says. I read through the, I read kind of through the packaging here, and she made a cute card here, and it is, oh, she didn't write in it. She saved it so that I could, she put a little sticky note here. And it says, hi, Crafty friend. Thank you for participating in this amazing swap. I hope you and Santa like what I made. Hopefully you will be able to use all the goodies. Enjoy the cocoa and cookies. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Lynn George. So that's cute. Okay, so the first thing that I see already is the clipboard. And Lynn put a whole bunch of stuff with this. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here. And I did not watch the too many of the reveals. Okay, the back she has... Okay, oh my goodness. So she has filled it up with stuff. So there's stuff in the back, there's stuff in the front. So let me show you the front. So this is the front of her adorable little clipboard. And then here's her dangle right here that she made. And she has a bunch of wire wrapped goodness on here. And it's just like hanging from here. And then let me take this out so that you can see the back of it, which she decorated. And then on the back here, she has a pocket. We also had to do a naughty and nice list. So she has a beaded pen here. And then you had to do like a naughty nice list. So she laminated a sheet of paper and then did Santa's official list. And she has nice and naughty. So you can write on this with dry erase, like a dry erase marker, and then keep reusing it time after time. She also put all these fun goodies in here. So she has this little thing, which I will be reusing. And then these little stickers here, these red and green stickers from Dollar Tree, and then these holly, which I don't have these. I was never able to find the holly. And then she has some ephemera that she got at Michael's, and it has Santa on it, and then there's some puffy stickers underneath, which you guys know I love puffy stickers. And then some flat stickers here, 20 puffy stickers, 22 paper stickers, and 8 die cut stickers. I want to see the die cut stickers because those are, you can't really tell. Okay, let's see what's in here. So look how cute. Oh my goodness. Adorable, adorable, adorable. Look at that gift. These are big stickers too. So I am going to be, so when I'm recording this, it's January, I can't even see the date, but it's like, I think it's January 11th. And I'm going to pack all of this up. I'm going to be doing Christmas crafting a lot earlier this year because I just did not get to craft enough this season. Look at this pretty paper. And then she has a little sequin mix. Oh yeah, we had to do that. It was supposed to be called a reindeer mix. And she has some little, this is like a sequin mix in here that she made. And it has little Santa, little gingerbread, these little beads, which I love. They're like these little like shaker beads, almost like the doodlebug ones, but they are they're like clear and they're a little bit smaller. So cute. I don't know if Lynn has social media, but if she does, I'll make sure to link all of her info below because she didn't write that she does, so I think that maybe she doesn't. Because she wrote her name, but she didn't write like, we don't need for handles. I also found this, this bead here. Maybe this was, oh, you know what? This was probably on here, but since it's silicone, it didn't stay stuck. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And then, now let me show you what was on there. So she has, so we had to make 4 North Pole characters. Look at this adorable reindeer. Oh my gosh, she paper pieced all of this stuff. And then we had to do a shaker. But she did a little snow globe. And then we had to do trim. So this is really nice. I love this trim. I love this like really thick rickrack. I maybe could use this for Valentine's Day actually. So none of these are like necessarily Christmas, so they could be used. Oh, maybe we had to do 2 shakers. But she also has this little gift. You know what? I wonder, I think she used, which I hauled these. I think she used the new Michaels shaker. You know, they did shaker kits this year to make making shakers easier. And look, she even used some of these, the holly. I think the same holly that these are they the same? Yeah, I think they are. They're so pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then she put it in a little pocket letter, and then yeah, so it says thoughtfully crafted for you by Lynn George. So I don't know if Lynn has social media because I don't recognize her name, but I'll ask Beck, and then if she does, I will make sure to link everything below. So she also put in a whole pack of these peppermint spoons, these candy spoons, and then some peppermint bark Ghirardellis. And then, oh my gosh, oh boy, okay, so the bag is overflowing with stuff. She has these peeps, which I put peeps in mine too. I put snowman peeps. She put the little trees, and we have a few more of these. So she had this in a bag right here, but the bag was opening, that's why. Oh my gosh, she put an entire thing of hot cocoa, and it's the Starbucks. This is so good. I've had this in like the individual packets, and it is so yummy. And look how she packaged it in here, and she even put like a little so generous. Oh my gosh, she put a little oven mitt in there too. So cute. Oh my gosh, adorable, adorable, so sweet and so much. Oh my gosh, she didn't just do like a pouch, she did like a whole hot cocoa thing. And then in here we have a box. Let me see, let me show you guys the box. Let me put some of this stuff to the side. Hold on, please hold this over. And oh, I missed these. Oh, these were on the back. Okay, so yes, we had to do bows, and she made this bow. I have this bow die, and it's good to see it like made, because I feel like I'm doing mine wrong. And then she has this bow, which this is my favorite bow ever. And then I don't have this one. I am so glad to see this, because hers are so pretty, and mine, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, we had to do tags. Gosh, as I like continue to see what she made, the requirements are coming back to me. Look at these beautiful tags. Look how pretty they are. Oh my gosh. So good. I love these. These are those Dollar Tree things again. I think they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then there's this big box. I'm not sure what's in here. Let us see. She decorated it so pretty. Look how she like layered it up. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. Okay. Oh boy, more treats. More treats. Oh my gosh, look at this little tin. Oh, these are cookies. Oh, these are from Walmart. These are the butter cookies. They're like the Royal Dance cookies, which I love. This one is my favorite cookie, in case anyone cares. This one. That one. I grew up eating these cookies. My grandmother used to always have them in the house. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of her. And then look at these little epoxy bottle caps that she did. It's so cute, and I love this little button. I think I have this little button. And look how she put a star on top too. And then look, she has a little niacinamide cream sheet mask for self-care for the holidays. So sweet, for smooth and dewy skin. And then she also included, this is like a wooden tag. And then these little guys, I don't know where they're from. Maybe Hobby Lobby? I don't know. I haven't seen these this year, so I'm not sure where they're from. They're so cute though. They have like a little Santa, a bell, a gingerbread, a mitten, a little sleigh, some holly, a tree, reindeer, and a little snowman in the center. So cute. And then these are so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys know how much I was obsessed with these little characters this year. Mrs. Claus is just never gonna not be my favorite. She's so cute. Why is she so cute? I bought some wrapping paper that has her all over it, and I'm literally obsessed with it. It's unhealthy. It's unhealthy out there. And then look, rosettes. Look at these pretty rosettes. These are so pretty. I wonder if she I saw Larissa do this too, where they die cut them after, and they come out so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open these. Oh, she made some more in the back. Oh, she made some that I can decorate myself. Oh, how nice is this? I wonder if these are okay guys, I have to know. Are these cupcake wrappers? I never learned how to do this. They are cupcake wrappers. They are so pretty, and then she die cut them after. What an excellent idea. I think I might make some of these for Valentine's Day. I think I just might. I just might. So cute. Okay, and then we have one last bet. Oh, I spoke too soon. We have flat. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so cute. I remember getting these from Dollar Tree, and I never used them for like a few years ago. And then look at these beautiful poinsettias. This really, she says thoughtfully crafted. It's true. It really was thoughtfully crafted, because look how she even put a pack of greenery in the back for me to use. So sweet and thoughtful. Oh my gosh, look. So sweet. And those are so like not fun to cut out. So not fun. So these are on an acetate sheet. Look, these are beautiful. Man, if these weren't poinsettias, I'd use them for Thanksgiving. I mean, for Thanksgiving, for Valentine's Day. But I'll have to save them. They'll have to be saved until the end of the year. I love flowers. I love flowers. And then now we're in the last bag. I keep thinking that, but it's like, this is like a unlimited supply of crafty things. Okay, so this little bag, look how cute. She like layered it, like she altered it. She backed it with paper. She glued this on here, the pocket. So sweet. And then something's in here. Let us see what is in here. Oh, it's a die. How sweet. Look how she like added what it's supposed to look like. She is really so thoughtful. Miss Lynn, you are so incredibly thoughtful. I appreciate this so much, and I really do appreciate you putting the tag in here, because how else would I know? Such a good idea too, and so sweet and so thoughtful. The thoughtfulness really does come through. So thank you guys so much for watching. If I find a link to Miss Lynn, I'll link it in the description bar. So if she has a channel, go over there and subscribe to her, and or her Instagram. And thank you, Beck, for hosting this swap. It was so much fun, and it was a million requirements, but we all did them and we loved it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.